Bob Fudge, written by Ian Tyson and performed by Colter Wall, can be played in two different tunings. The way that Colter Wall plays it is his guitar is tuned down a full step, and then he capos on the second fret of the guitar, which actually puts our E minor shape as an actual E minor, as though we were playing on a guitar that's in standard tuning, just with no capo. So if you detune and then capo, I feel like it kind of gives your string some slack feel that lends itself to the sound of the song, but also Colter Wall probably is always tuned a full step down just so that whenever he takes his capo off, he's got that lower register to sing in. So all that to say, you can either detune a full step and then capo the second fret of the guitar, or you can just remain in standard tuning and play these chords without a capo, and it will be in the same key. So first thing to know about this song is a little bit about the rhythm. It's in a 3/4 time signature. It's basically a waltz. You need to drill into your head. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. That's kind of the feel for most of this song. And Colter Wall is not using a pick. He's just finger strumming this, so I'm doing the same thing. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. I lost my own kind of feel of the rhythm there. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Also, just kind of that rhythm drives pretty much the whole time throughout the song. All right, the first chord is going to be in E minor. I'll speak of these chords and these frets now relative to the capos, though the capo's the nut, so frets 1, 2, and 3 instead of frets 3, 4, and 5. The E minor will be an open 6 string, then your second finger on the 5 string 2 fret, your ring finger on the 4 string 2 fret. And in this E minor, you can hear it start off with an open 5 string and Colter Wall hammering his second finger down to the 5 string 2 fret. And he basically does that every time in the E minor. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, E, A hammer, E, 5 hammer. And then sometimes in this E minor you can hear the intentional plucking of the 4 string 2 fret before coming back into the E, like. So that was really kind of slow and singled out, but if you listen to him play, you can hear that little nuance in there. Not every single time, but occasionally. All right, so once you get the E minor down, the second chord is going to be an A minor.
So the A minor will be an open 5 string, second finger to the 4 string 2 fret, ring finger to the 3 string 2 fret, first finger on the 2 string 1 fret, and our emphasis here is going to be first on the open 5 string to a hammer on the open, from the open 4 string to the 4 string 2 fret with our second finger, basically replicating the feel that we got in the E minor with, but now we're doing it in A minor. So you've got A minor, hammer to the 4 string 2 fret, and then we're going to come down and hit the low 6 string. And then we're going to hammer with our ring finger to the 6 string 3 fret to throw in a G note there. So if you got that feel, it's the A minor, hammer to the 4 string 2 fret, low 6 string, and then hammer with your ring finger to the 6 string 3 fret. Then it goes back to the hammer on the 4 string, and then to the E minor again. So it does that a couple of times. And the second time, whenever the A minor comes around, it doesn't do the same thing with a little hammer on it to the G chord. The second time it comes around, it just goes A minor to an actual just G chord. That would be ring finger to the 6 string 3 fret, second finger to the 5 string 2 fret, open 4, open 3, open 2, pinky finger he pulls back to the 1 string 3 fret. So and in this G chord, you want to emphasize in the 2-beat feel that we're getting, the 6 string to the 4 string. And it only does that once though, like one round for the G chord. Goes back into the E minor there. All right, so for the chorus, we're going to go to a C major chord. For this, you're going to have your ring finger on the 6 string 3 fret, your pinky finger on the 5 string 3 fret, your second finger on the 4 string 2 fret, open 3 string, first finger on the 2 string 1 fret, open 1 string, and here, same picking feel, but we're alternating between the 5 string 3 fret and the 6 string 3 fret. Sometimes in this chord, you can hear him lift up his second finger to expose the open 4 string, and then hammer back down with the second finger to the 4 string 2 fret, like. So that's 5 string, 6 string, then open the 4 string, hit twice, and then hammer on with your second finger back to the 4 string 2 fret. And then we go to an A minor. And here we're emphasizing the open 5 and the open 6. And sometimes you can hear him in the A minor lift up his first finger to expose the open 2 string, and then hammering first finger back down into the 2 string 1st fret position. Similar to what we did in that C. Then it comes back to the C chord, and then up to a D chord. So the way that the D chord is going to be played is open 4 string, first finger on the 3 string 2 fret, ring finger on the 2 string 3 fret, second finger on the 1 string 2 fret. And here we're going to be emphasizing the open 4 string to the open 5 string, and then this is kind of a weird little move, but this is what he does to end after this D chord. He hits the open 6 string and then immediately hammers by grabbing with his thumb the 6 string 2 fret. And then he just mutes all the strings. So if you can't do that with your thumb, you You could move with your first finger to just hit that open 6th string, and then hammer with your first finger to the 6th string 2 fret. So that's open 4, open 5, open 6, hammer to the 2 fret, and then mute the strings. And then we go right back into the E minor. All right, so there's another round of that happens, I believe. The next thing to know about this song is that part. So this is a walking move out of a C major. I've got my ring finger on the 5 string 3 fret, second finger on the 4 string 2 fret, open 3 string, first finger on the 2 string 1 fret, and I'm moving from the C chord to this passing B note by lifting my ring finger, putting my second finger on the 5 string 2 fret, and then I strum across those chords, leaving my first finger still on the 2 string 1 fret. And then we're going to go to an A minor, same A minor as before. So we've moved C to this passing B note to an A minor, and then we're going to a G chord. For the G chord, I'm going to move just a traditional G major chord, ring finger to the 6 string 3 fret. Here he pulls his pinky finger back again to the 1 string 3 fret and puts the second finger down on the 5 string 2 fret there between your ring and pinky fingers. After the G chord, down, 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 up, we'll go with our second finger to the 6 string 2 fret and go, and then hit the 6 string 2 fret again and hammer with your ring finger back into the 6 string 3 fret, so that we've got G to the F sharp to the G, returning back to that G with a hammer roll. And then it comes back up to the A minor. So we've gone C to the B to the A minor to the G to the F sharp to the G to the A minor, and then it does this little lick. So after the A minor, after like 1 down, 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 up on the A minor, you want to either slide or just outright go straight to the 4 string 4 fret. So you'll pluck that. I'm using my second finger, which is the finger that was already on the 4 string from the A minor. So you'll hit the 4 string 4 fret, and then the open 3 string, and then hammer with your second finger to the 3 string 2 fret, and hit that twice. So we've got, and then you can hear him kind of down, down, up on the higher registered strings. And then open the 4 string, open the 3 string. So the 3 string is where we had been with our second finger, open the 3 string. And here, after opening the 3 string, so here you can audibly hear that Colter Wall puts his pinky finger down on the 1 string 3 fret and does another on the open 3 string, down, 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 up, and then moves with second finger to the 4 string 2 fret, leaving your pinky finger where we've put it here. So we've gone, and then move with your second finger again, lifting it off of the 4 string, and now you're going to pluck the open 5 string and hammer on with your second finger to the 5 string 2 fret, and give that another little strum, so that we've gone all together now out of the A minor as original. Or originally this came out of the A minor. The A minor to the, or and then back to the E minor. So very slowly, that C part comes together like this. So those are the chords and the movements to Bob Fudge as written by Ian Tyson and as played by Colter Wall. Hopefully this gives you an idea of how to approach the song.